One out and three over on the inside. No Malice Alice underneath Double Shift. Then Bob's Buddy. And then may I say who made that mistake last of all. Heading to the back now as they go by the 1350. And the leader out in front was Hares Crossing. Alfredo wants to go quicker on the outside. He's going up to match strides. Stormy Warriors up on the bit racing third on the inside. Fourth on the outside Never Walk Alone. And fifth over on the inside then was Owner Operator. The sixth place getter then on the outside was Rockets Reject, then Double Chef, No Malice Alice. Further back behind them then came Bob's Buddy, and back at the tail, and may I say first quarter was a leisurely 33.2 as they go by the 1,000-metre peg, and the leader Hares Crossing. Alfredo's on the outside, Stormy Warriors the inside. Never Walk Alone's in the 1-1. Rockets Reject starting to move up, 3 bikes wide around the outside and pulling. Owner Operator locked up on the inside, then Double Chef, No Malice Alice, Bob's Buddy, and last of all, and may I say 33.2 into 31.9 by the 600 metres, and Hares Crossing's the pilot. Here's Rockets Reject in a lightning move. He just went bang and went around the outside and opened up 3 or 4 metres on them. Hares Crossing second, Alfredo third. Stormy Warriors looking for a way out from Never Walk Alone, and then Double Chef. Further back came Owner Operator, and may I say Bob's Buddy and No Malice Alice by the 350 though. They went down the back in 29.2 and Rockets Rejects 7 or 8 metres clear of Alfredo. Stormy Warrior starting to run on. He's seen a bit of daylight. Further back then came Hares Crossing, Bob's Buddy. Rockets Rejects first for home. Leads from Alfredo and Stormy Warrior. Rockets Reject in front. He's getting tired. Rockets Reject in front. He just sees it out. He does. Rockets Reject wins. Second placing Alfredo. Third Stormy Warrior. Then Bob's Buddy. The next one Hares Crossing, Double Chef, Never Walk Alone, and No Malice Alice last of all.